Hey guys, 13 Prevail here. Just in for a little bit of a ice fishing trip here today. All my quads are broke down, so I haven't had any cabin videos or anything up lately. Haven't been really working at the cabin much because I can't get down there with my tools and stuff. So I decided to come up to this little pond. I've fished here before a few times. It's not too far of a walk from the highway. I like to cross this first pond, and there's a couple little ones down back. Not a bad sized pond. I've caught some trout here before. They're good pan fish, we'll say. Not monsters or anything, but good eating trout. So hopefully today we can get a few, and I'll get a fire going, and we'll cook some lunch. Catch you guys in a bit. No pun intended there. Unfortunately, I lost the handle off my little reel, so hopefully the water's not too deep and I can just pull the fish up if I get one. Just got a little teardrop on there. It's getting wore out now. The paint is coming off there. And for bait, I just got salt pork. I always find that works okay. Stays on the hook well too. Even the trout in Newfoundland like the salt pork, eh? Okay, see how it goes. Got one trout. I'm gonna go down. There's another little pond just down here. I'm gonna go down and try that one now. Bite that time. Oh, something there. Oh, yes sir. That's number 3. Took my bait though. Looks like I'll get some lunch anyway. That's the first one I caught. Second one I caught. That one just now. That one's a nice one. Oh, we're gonna have a good lunch. So just packing up here. Gonna move to a new location. Did manage to get 4 here. I caught one in the other little pond there and drilled one hole down here. Caught 4 out of that. Guys, I cleaned up 3 of my trout. I ended up with 7 after I cleaned up 3. Just got some margin in the pan. I brought some fish crisp, so I got them in there right now. Way too much margin. even brought a can of Pepsi today. Something I don't drink very often is pop, but consider it a treat almost. Look at that, just pull the bone out, all good. Oh, they're good. Oh shit, get off. So I've got some bologna here too. Good old Newfie steak. Nothing like a big slab of Newfie steak over the fire. I tell you. I'm gonna warm this up. Then I'm gonna toast some bread and I'm gonna make a sandwich, bologna sandwich. And have a cup of coffee probably. Actually, I'm gonna see if the... Oh yes. Whoa. Gonna eat another trout. Excuse me. What a day. It's starting to snow a bit there now. Beautiful. I'll switch legs. So what I do with my bologna sandwiches in the woods is I'll bring a slice of I'll bring some buttered bread. Of course I got this one ruined. Toast my bologna first. That goes on the buttered bread, then you toast your bread afterwards. Toast your sandwich with the bologna. And your margarine is going to melt all around the bologna. It's going to be delicious. Sure if you guys can see, but it's snowing pretty good. All grubbed up. Gonna head out. My cell phone is dead, and if the wife can't get a hold of me, she'll probably have my buddies from the Ground Search and Rescue. They're coming looking for me, so I better head out before she tries to get a hold of me. But I ended up with 7 trout, cooked 3, and I'll take 4 home. Probably have for breakfast or whatever. But good day, all the same. Had a nice little fire. Whoa! It felt good to get out, do some fishing. Hopefully get out again soon. And hopefully I'll have a quad fixed soon so I can get back at the cabin. The last few days have been absolutely beautiful days for working on the cabin. I don't know if you noticed, but there's no snow, hardly any snow at all. Everything is frozen solid. It's excellent for quad. And of course, I've got 3 and none of them are working. So anyway guys, thanks a lot for coming along, watching the video. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and catch you guys on the next one.